Customized skincare: how to create a product management strategy for your e-commerce business. You've spent months researching, planning, and designing your e-commerce business website to ensure it matches the look and feels of your bricks and mortar stores, but have you given the same attention to your customers' shopping experience? That's why creating a product management strategy for your online store makes sense. It ensures that every aspect of your e-commerce operation works in harmony with each other so customers can easily find what they want and then buy it with ease too. In e-commerce, product management is the process of creating and selling customized skincare products. The Shop by Interests category features dozens of prepackaged skincare kits catering to individual needs like acne or sensitive skin. Each kit offers an overview of the personal care ingredients included, information about different benefits, and photos illustrating each set. The next step after making an order with one of these sets is to pick out your favorite design from one of the shop's many options, such as paper or cloth. In any industry, but especially in e-commerce, it's important to understand the competitive landscape. Whatever edge you have over the competition should be highlighted. Don't leave anything to chance when customers are trying to decide where they want to buy skincare products from. You need to know exactly how many items you need at all times so that customer service will never be left without an answer. You also need to know how many items you'll need going forward so that ordering ahead of time will give your inventory management strategy more stability. Product management for e-commerce businesses can be tricky, especially when it comes to personal care products. However, by carefully choosing your target audience, you can create a strategy that will make things run more smoothly. E-commerce inventory management is key to success in this industry and should be something you plan out from the start. If you're selling skincare products, finding a good price point that meets both customer expectations and your margin goals may take some time, but it'll be worth it in the end. One way to find a good price point is by tracking your own conversion rates and seeing what percentage of visitors are converting into customers. With all these pieces in place, you're well on your way to having the perfect product management strategy for your e-commerce business. All you need now is a good understanding of managing your e-commerce inventory management, tracking customer conversions, and setting competitive prices. The first thing any good project manager does when beginning a new project is to identify the client's needs. When it comes to e-commerce inventory management, product management is key to success. Getting product management right can help you boost sales, improve customer satisfaction, and build a loyal customer base. You need to put time into understanding your customers' needs and what they are looking for from your products. The more specific your strategy is, the more likely it will work out well for your business in the long run. Think about creating an overarching product management strategy and then break it down into manageable chunks. For example, figure out which aspect of your business is most important to focus on first before moving on to other areas such as improving the company's website or adding new features. Allocating resources wisely by focusing on only one thing at a time is always a good idea when you're working on something complicated, like product management. The next step would be to think about the different ways that your strategy could work and create a basic plan for each scenario. Or do you want to increase customer loyalty through personalized service? Product management in e-commerce is all about creating a personalized experience for your customers. By understanding their individual needs and desires, you can create a unique shopping experience that will keep them coming back for more. And with the right product management strategy, it's easy to ensure they don't have any complaints. What are the most important qualities of a good product manager? You must understand what makes your customer tick, so read up on demographics and psychographics, then plan accordingly. What should I be thinking about when developing my product strategy? Have an idea of what channels are best suited to promoting your products before designing a marketing plan. Another key consideration when developing a product management strategy is pricing. Several factors need to be taken into account, including supply and demand, margins, competitor pricing, etc. As an e-commerce business, it's essential to be consistent with your promotions to increase customer loyalty and ROI. By planning and executing promotional campaigns regularly, you can create a system that works for your business and drives results. Ultimately, product management is about making informed decisions about the products and content on your site based on what customers want. You need to ensure that these decisions align with the company's strategy so you can measure the impact of product management decisions on both short-term revenue and long-term growth. There could be many reasons, but a good starting point would be to look at the way the category page looks and whether or not it has enough information for shoppers. It's always best to use data when making decisions, and by being consistent with product management strategies, you will drive more growth over time. While product management is about creating great products and optimizing them for search engines, paid advertising channels, and customer feedback, it also requires knowing how to price your goods properly. The tricky part of pricing any product lies in setting the perfect price, one that maximizes profits while maintaining demand.